Hi, I am Professor Bernhard Klingenberg, and in this video, I want to show you how to describe the distribution of a single quantitative variable. To demonstrate how it's done, I'm going to use data from the 2018 General Social Survey. I'm going to show you the data in a second, but one question that was included on this survey was the question to participants: how many hours are you watching TV per day on average? Now let's go to the ArtofStat website to see the data and to describe the shape of the distribution and find key statistics that describe that distribution. I'm going to go to a web browser and go to the website ArtofStat.com, which should look like this, but only for a few more weeks because I have to change the website. It's not secure enough, I was told. Click on Web Apps up here, and then go to the app that's called Explore Quantitative Data. Click on this one, and what you should see is a dialog coming up, and we are going to select data not on serial sodium content, but on the number of hours watching TV for 2018. Click on this one, and you will see the distribution as in this picture, and it's a histogram, and maybe we can change the bin width of the histogram to 1 hour bin width. And so we see the histogram here. It is clearly right skewed. The tail extends to the right, and the distribution therefore looks right skewed. Now in this video I'm going to focus on the histogram but not on the box plot, so let's just click off the box plot. So here we have the histogram, and we actually show the distribution of the number of hours of watching TV per day. We see that data is based on a sample of size 1,555. The mean number of hours watching TV is 2.94, so 2.9 hours of watching TV on average. The median is 2 hours to the left of the mean. To the left of the mean because the distribution is right skewed, so 2 hours is the median number of hours watching TV. And we see a 5-number summary here and the standard deviation. Now I can simply now make a screenshot, or you can actually click on here too to download the data, but I'm going to make a screenshot. I'm going to select this part here, the entire part here. Oh, hopefully I'm not included in the video. I am. Oh, that's not good. Let's move this away. Let me move out of the video. I'm going to make a screenshot. New. And then I'm going to enter this in the homework that I've prepared. So hold on a moment. I'm going to switch over to my homework. The homework is here. So this is my homework. The question on the homework is: describe the distribution of the variable average number of TV hours watched per day based on General Social Survey data from 2018, which we had. I'm going to insert the screenshot here. Maybe too big. Put this in here, so something like this, perfect. And so we can say what? We can say based on 1,555 responses on the General Social Survey, right? So mention the sample size perhaps. What can we say about the distribution? The distribution of the average number of hours watching TV is right skewed. That's a key characteristic. Remember, when you describe a distribution, you want to comment on 4 features: the shape, which you've just done, right skewed. Mention the center, which we can measure here for a right skewed distribution with the median. So we continue with the median of 2 hours, and for good measures, I'm also giving the mean and the mean of 2.9 hours. So shape, center, variability. Mention something about variability. Here I'm actually starting with the range. The number of TV hours watched ranged from 0 hours to 24 hours. That's actually, you can see this, the minimum was 0 hours and the maximum was 24 hours for those binge watching, I guess. And then I commented on the first quartile. 25% of respondents watched 1 hour or shorter, and or but 25% of respondents watched 4 hours or longer because Q1 was 1 and the third quartile was 4. I'm mentioning that the standard deviation of the number of hours watched per day is 2.8 hours, which I got from here, from this part over here. And the only thing I don't comment on here is potential outliers. And we'll see those more clearly when we do a box plot. And that's part of a different video. All right, so this showed you how to describe the distribution of a single quantitative variable, mentioning shape, right, skewed, center, like a median of 2 hours, variability, like the standard deviation, or you could use the interquartile range of 3 hours. That's the middle 50% of respondents watching, having a span of 3 hours. and mention outliers, which we don't do here. Thank you.